Hi friends, in this tutorial we are going to see a basic operations of MATLAB. For that purpose we have to open the MATLAB software by clicking on MATLAB icon. After a while you will get a MATLAB icon on the screen. After some times that software will be get open, and then you will see the various windows. Here we'll see the three windows, that is the command window, second one is workplace window, third one is the command history. In command window, name itself indicates that window is used for giving command to the softwares. That workspace window, whatever commands you are giving in command window, whatever input data you are giving in command window, that data will be get stored into a workspace, and whatever operations we are carried out on the software, that will be shown in command history. That command history will show you previous operations also which are carried out in that software. Actually, before going to tutorial, we have to see meaning of the MATLAB. Actually, this software is used by various researchers, engineers in the field of engineering and mathematics. This MATLAB stands for a matrix laboratory. Actually, this software is developed in 1970 at University of New Mexico. Actually, this software is used in various fields for numerical analysis, linear algebra, image processing, regression analysis purpose. This software is used. Now we have to see, we'll see in this tutorial various matrix operation. In that tutorial we'll see the addition of matrix, then multiplication of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then various operations of matrix algebra we will see in that tutorial. First we'll define a matrix, row matrix, then we'll see how to define a column matrix. For that purpose, first we have to see, I will define a matrix, that is row matrix. For defining a row matrix, you have to write A equal to, in bracket, that bracket should be a square bracket, A 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to enter. Then here this row matrix will be get defined, and that data will be stored in that workspace, and this command history also showing that the whatever operations we are carried out. Now next, for defining a column matrix, we have to see how to define a column matrix. B is equal to, in square bracket, 1 semicolon 2 semicolon 3 semicolon 4 semicolon 5. Why we are giving the semicolon? Semicolon stands for a next line, means that semicolon will take us to next line while defining this matrix. Now this column matrix will be get defined. If you want to clear this all operations, then you have to write CLC. That CLC is the short key or the command for the clearing all data which are in command window. But by using CLC you can't clear the workspace data. If you want to clear the workspace data, then you have to enter the clear all command. By this command you can clear the workspace. Now I will define a 3 by 3 matrix, that is matrix A is equal to, in bracket, 2, 3, 6 semicolon, next 1, comma 2 comma 3 semicolon 4 comma 5 comma 6. By this way you can define a 3 by 3 matrix. If you want to find out the determinant of that matrix, then you have to write det. Det is for determinant, that is the short command in the MATLAB. Det of defined matrix, that defined matrix has given a variable determinant of a, that will give -6. The determinant of this matrix will be a -6. If you want to find out inverse of that matrix, then you have to write INV in bracket C. By this way you can take inverse of that matrix. Now you will see I have defined inverse of C, but already I have defined this matrix by a variable a, so you have to write inverse of a matrix, then that will give an inverse. If you want to take transpose of that matrix, then also you can take C transpose, but variable is a transpose, enter, that will give a transpose. In transpose, rows are converted into a column. You can see that rows are converted into a column. Now next matrix operation is to find out the rank of matrix, rank, rank of the matrix A, that will be find it out. This matrix has rank 3, that we can easily find out with the help of that software. This is the magical software actually, CLC. By using CLC, what we can do, we can clear the all command, but we can't clear the workspace. For that purpose you have to use clear all command. Now see, already we have defined the matrix A. If you want to take one second matrix A, you have to write A and you have to enter, then we get a defined matrix. Now for multiplication operation I require one matrix, or you can use this matrix also, A into A, multiplication of this 3 by 3 square matrix, we get multiplication. If you want to add a matrix with a matrix, then also you can add. If you want to subtract a minus a, then also you can do the various operation by using that MATLAB software. Actually this is a magical software. If you want to find out the rank of this if you want to find out the order of this matrix, then also you can find out the size is the short key, size of the matrix A, that will show this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. If you want to define identity matrix, then also you can define. For defining identity matrix, you have to write EYE in bracket EYE of 3, that will give you identity matrix of 3 by 3. If you want to write a matrix of 3 by 3 matrix of one element, so I have to write ones of 3. Same way, if you want to find out 2 by 2 matrix of ones, so you have to write ones in bracket, that should be a 2 by 2. In that way you can carry out various matrix operation. Thank you.